are at Little America in Wyoming. Going to drop the trailer off at Mom and Dad's house.
Because we decided to keep it. I got the kids in the back. Hi, kids. Say hi.
Hi.
Are we at the park? Here we go.
Let's go get some 75-cent cones. Go play on the dinosaur. Go play on the playground. Anything else?
As you can see, this is what he's been drinking.
Whatever I can do to stay awake. That's priceless.
Kiss. There you go.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, God.
There you go. Daddy's on it too.
I want it too.
Hey, you. What's your name? What is it? How old are you? Where are we going? Like, look at me. Where are we driving to?
Full house.
Paul's house?
Yeah.
Bring some pine cones into the car, okay? Pick some out. Which one should we bring to Paul's house? Let's pick some out, okay? That's good. That's good. All right, let's go. Hurry. Go show Daddy. Run, run, run. Where are we taking those two?
Pool house.
All right, let's go. Look, there's the deer. Oh my gosh. Look at it, it's still there. It's just walking around.
There's a bunch right over here.
3rd Street. Where?
Just right down the street. Behind this building. A couple more. They chase deer out of
What city are we in?
Rollins, Wyoming.
Oh my gosh. That was so funny. Hi! Welcome back!
Hi, it's Ashley.
Maggie, come! Come here, Maggie!
Oh my gosh, look.
Maggie, come! I'm gonna...
Remember Papa? Wow, where's his eyeball? Let me go see the big one.
Yeah.
Me too, but me too.
There you go, baby.
What happened?
Good luck, you guys. No. Best decorations wins. Here, wait, not yet. Here,
No, just put it on the outside.
put it right here where you can scoop it up.
This frosting is good.
Okay? How about that? There you go. Put those on, okay?
Sure.
Happy day to you.
Yay!
Happy day to you.
Yay!
Happy day to you.
Yay!